How's it going, bros? My name is Lemonhead, and welcome to Saturday with People at Lemonhead. So, yeah, I'm going to do this on Saturdays, pretty much, and this Saturday, I'm going to sing a song called 2 Chainz, We Own It. This is all for people who watch my videos out there. Money is the motivation. Money is the conversation. We vacation. We get paid. So we vacation. I did it for the fam. Whatever we do is just who I am. Yeah, it's the life I chose. Gunshots in the dark. One eye closed. One eye stove. And you picking, kissing my girl and both eyes closed. Thanks for asking. Could slow down, so we had to crash it. You don't run fast, we don't pass. Making money, we don't pass, yeah. I never feel fear for trying. I always feel fear for dying. I know what I am. Only God can judge me now. 1 shot, everything rides on. 2 night, it can get big. 3 strikes, window for it. This moment, we own it, and it's gonna be played with because it can get dangerous. See, these people I ride with, this moment, we own it.
And the same ones that I ride with be the same ones that I die with. Put the dollar out on the line with. If you're looking for me, you can find with. In the new car, I ride with. My new brother's a fine chick. In the white squad, I'm down with.
Getting no way around it. What you say, tell me what you say. Try to
for my dogs do this every day. Taking off, looking out for all, making sure we
Pop that mob.
All you do is talk, catch you if you fall.
Reba.
I never said never trying. I've always been never trying.
I am whatever I am. Only God can judge me now. 1 shot, everything rides on. 2 night, I have 3 strikes. We go for it. This moment, we own it, and I'm not gonna be played with because it could get dangerous. See, these people will love it. This moment, we own it. Because in my life, we got big guns. We graduated from my sister. We did like a killing side. Spirit line got a killing side. Oh, in that outfit. Get onto the outlet. Up to the plan. Always think we would stand up, never ran. Loyalty never change up. Day one, came from jumping out. Something about it. Problem, I got the same one. Same code. 1 shot, everything rides on. 2 night, even if I got 3 strikes, I'ma go for it. This moment, we own it, and I'm not gonna be played with because it can get dangerous. These people I ride with, this moment, we own it. Yeah. This moment, we own it. So, guys, I want to say thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe down below, and like and share with your friends, and please subscribe.